Good morning to all. Today we discuss about two types of leaves venetions. The first one is reticulate venation. The network-like venation of leaves is called reticulate venation. The next one is parallel venation. The parallel arrangement of wings in leaves is called parallel venation. Then example of reticulate venation: curry leaf, hibiscus leaf, pumpkin leaf, musambi leaf, rose leaf, mango tree leaf, jackfruit tree leaf, guava leaf.
Then examples of
Then examples of parallel venation: